Alrighty, good morning. I just got up for sunrise. It wasn't much of a sunrise, that's for sure, but it was pretty good. Good to get out on the water. And now just gonna grab some coffee because I've got a hiking trip booked for later on this afternoon at 1 o'clock. So get maybe a bit of breakfast and a coffee, chill out, and then go on the hike, which I think includes some swimming as well. Hopefully the rain stays away, but looking over there and over there, it's still pretty dark, but not much you can do, unfortunately, but it is what it is. I'll just have to come back and try what I want. Try and do the hikes that I really want to do and spend a bit more time here. But yeah, let's go get some coffee. Fish. Alrighty, what a breakfast. That was 60,000 dong for the smoothie bowl, which is about $3.60, which was like, that's pretty good, especially for a smoothie bowl. Like, a lot of fruit goes into it, a lot of everything, nuts and stuff, and $3.60 for it. Like, that's a good breakfast. But yeah, now time to head to ATM, get some cash out, because I've got to pay for this hiking tour, which is $750,000 dong. And then yeah, probably get some supplies from the supermarket, and then we go from there. One of 2 ATMs I've seen on the island, at least in this town. But yeah, got the money now. Time to check out the supermarket slash mini mart to get some snacks for the hike. But look at that rain.
The highest peak here is 577
Yeah.
meter from the right.
Got a little bit of rain. Alrighty, how awesome is that? Hopefully you can hear me. I just don't want to film with my tour guide, don't want to make him uncomfortable, but hiking in the rain, that's tropical rain as well. It's nice and warm. It's a bit muddy now, but pretty epic. Now just going to head to the secret waterfall.
Let's go!
Alrighty, so this is the beach. So we were at the secret waterfall, and now we're at the beach that sits at the bottom base of the runway. One of them, I think. There's one at each end. Saw 2 planes leave from here. I really want to see one arrive, but I think they arrive on the other side of the runway, unfortunately. But nice to have a swim, and there been no rain, which is nice. But the rainy adventure was pretty good. Once I get back into town, I got to work out how to dry all my clothes and my backpack, and my shoes. So I might have to find a laundromat or something and hope that they're able to dry it for me, which will be fun. But yeah, really fun in the water, relatively clean, I think. Not putting my head under because I don't trust it and I don't really want to get sick, but yeah, quite nice setup down here. Only one swimming. There was a tour group who came down, had a dip for about 2 seconds and then came back. I was like, I'll swim for a bit, but yeah, still pretty awesome here. Last day of actual traveling and exploring rather than just sitting in airports, which is tomorrow and the day after. But it's nice to relax for a bit, and then a hectic couple of days heading back to Hanoi and then flying home. So yeah, it'll be interesting, but we'll see how the rest of today pans out. Alrighty, after a pretty incredibly wet day, but also a pretty incredible day hiking Elephant Peak, visiting the secret waterfall, and exploring the beach near the airport. I forget the name of it, Dung Trao maybe. Went out for dinner. Obviously I didn't bring you along because I haven't filmed the dinners. And I got really lucky, so I had my dinner, and then on the way back I saw that some people were watching the Premier League, just a group of older men sitting in a restaurant all on their own, and I just had a look at the score, and then they signalled for me to come in, and I was like, yeah, sure. Went over, they offered me some rice wine, which honestly, it tasted like moonshine. It was that strong. Like, I don't drink at all. I've had roughly two shots here, one of the snake wine, one of this, because they wouldn't take no for an answer. And then they offered me food. I had a whole manner of different things: mystery meats, mystery vegetables, this like leaf wrapped chicken floss and stuff. Yeah, it was interesting to say the least. I wasn't expecting to try all of these things. I think there was chicken liver, which, I mean, I don't eat liver, or was it chicken kidney? I don't know. It was interesting. So sat with them for about half an hour, watched the game, ate some food, which was very interesting. And then they said, oh, you don't need to pay, everything's free, like through Translate. So it was a very interesting evening, that's for sure. Now I'm just packing, getting ready for tomorrow morning. I've got to go pick up my shoes, which I dropped off for some dry cleaning because they were soaked from today, and I don't really want to travel home with wet shoes, which is going to cost me a lot more than what I was expecting. But I mean, I don't want to travel home with dirty shoes and then having to chuck them out. So yeah, today all done. Last day of actually exploring Vietnam, all done. And now just gonna pack and then get ready for the flight tomorrow. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I'll also link the website and the WhatsApp of the guys that I booked this tour off. And yeah, if you ever come to Con Dao, definitely check them out. The guide I had today, I've completely forgotten your name, sorry. It was incredible. Like, it was so knowledgeable and such a fun guy. And yeah, just to finish it off, hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share. And see you tomorrow for a travel day. Yeah, see ya.